Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WhatsApp login issues, verification code problems step by step clearly. First, confirm that your phone has a stable internet connection on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh the network. Check that you entered the correct phone number with the right country code. Remove any extra leading zero that should not be there after the country code. Make sure the SIM card for that number is inserted and active in your phone. Restart your phone to clear temporary network and app glitches. Open WhatsApp and request the verification code again. Then wait without switching apps. Do not request codes repeatedly, because too many attempts can trigger a temporary block. Check that your phone's date and time are set to automatic in system settings. Disable any VPN or proxy app, because it can delay or block SMS delivery. Temporarily turn off spam blockers or SMS filtering apps that may hide the code message. Open your SMS inbox and look for messages from WhatsApp or unknown short numbers. If you use dual SIM, set the WhatsApp number as the default SIM for SMS. If SMS does not arrive, tap Call Me and listen carefully to the automated code. Answer unknown or international calls during verification, because WhatsApp may call from them. Make sure you have enough signal bars. Then move to an area with better reception if needed. Contact your mobile carrier to confirm you can receive SMS and international verification messages. Check that your phone is not in Do Not Disturb mode and that call notifications are allowed. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions, and allow SMS and phone permissions. On iPhone, go to Settings, WhatsApp, and enable permissions for notifications and cellular data. Update WhatsApp from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Update your phone's operating system if an update is available and then restart. Clear WhatsApp cache on Android from Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, Clear cache. If you recently restored chats, verify you are using the same number and the same device type. If you are using WhatsApp Business, confirm you installed the correct app for your account. Avoid using unofficial WhatsApp mods and switch to the official app to receive codes reliably. If your number was recycled or recently activated, wait a few hours and try again. If nothing works, use WhatsApp support inside the app and include your full number in international format. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.